Welcome back again, guys. So, as of last week Sunday, today is actually Friday. As of last week Friday, I make an analysis on BTC where I was making an explanation that BTC is going to sell at a certain support position. So, let me just give you like maybe 1 minute so that you get full illustration or more explanation on what I'm saying on this. So guys, just check out on this video that is going to coming out in few
And
seconds.
for you to be active before the market open and take advantage of this. Right now you can see there's this thing I always say whenever the market hit up third time of your trend line, whether it's uptrend or downtrend, whenever the market come to the third time, there's always be a retracement or a bounce back. You understand? So as you can see on the screen here, the market has the first point. This is the second point. So we are expecting another retracement from this trend line. I'm waiting for a retracement from this trend line. So as it is now, I will be waiting till the market open and see what this is going to happen here. Let me draw something for you so that you understand the what I'm trying to say. At first, I was expecting some kind of a ranges market here, probably give me a best position for me to take this buy, but unfortunately the market went very massively to the upside. So right now, this is what I'm expecting right now. Maybe hit up the trend line and give me some kind of a bottle top, then come down, probably come and bounce this again. So nevertheless, either I wait for a sell at this trend line like I said, or probably if the market break to this trend line, I will be expecting the sell from this zone I mark out here. So whichever way, once the market fully open this night, I will see what's going to happen then. Then probably Monday or Tuesday, I will see a very clear confirmation for me to take this sell from this zone. So guys, take note of this.
So you saw that video. That was actually last week Sunday, where I was making an explanation on how BTC is going to go. At first I was waiting for a certain position to certain zone, which I've already marked out. But unfortunately for me, I was expecting that move to come up on Monday because during the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, BTC always move on a range. The volatility is not that high on a normal day. So in as much I was waiting for a buy on that zone, I was still waiting because that was during the weekend. I was still waiting because during the weekend the market don't move fast. So I was expecting a range market at that zone. But unfortunately, I don't really know what really happened. I didn't check my fundamental. So BTC just moved massively on that day. So coming to that day when I was making that video you just watched some minutes ago, I was making an analysis because the buy setup I already missed it. So I was waiting for a certain position on a resistance level where I was expecting a sell at that zone, which eventually BTC actually sell at that zone. So for those who want to watch the full video, I'm going to be putting the link on that video on this particular video. If you check on the description or maybe the comment section, I'm going to put the link of that video so that you will watch the video and also understand what I'm trying to explain here. So fortunately for me, after the analysis, I also took the trade on one of a pro firm I'm managing. I took the trade, you saw the outcome, everything moved massively. Like that was just the only trade I took for this week. Today is actually Sunday, and if you check from the chart, the market is still going down. It's still going down massively, but I just overlook it for today. I'm okay with that one I took this week. So I will have to like wait and see what is going to do within the weekend, and also know the position I'm going to take for next week. So guys, to confirm what I'm saying, I'm going to like show you from my system and also see the date of today date, and also confirm what I'm trying to tell you guys here. So let me switch to my system and show you what I'm trying to explain here. All right, this is it. If you see from that video, you can see I explained something about trend line be bouncing at the third time. So this was what I marked that last week Sunday, the second one. So you can see it was at this zone here I took this you can see the massive move, break my even take profit, still going down to this place. You can see massive move. So guys, not really much here to say. The date, look at the date too. I forgot to show you guys. This is after to 4, and this is, I can see, okay, today is actually 29 or 5th. You can see. So nothing much for me to say here. I've already given all the explanation and what I did there. It's not every,
Yeah, so I was saying, it's not every forex trader that will place a signal or maybe drop a signal and start to, give you an explanation why this particular market is going to go on a long at this zone, or why this particular market is going to go on a short on that particular zone. So that video was a well detailed explanation video where I share the reason why I'm going to be selling at that zone and why I missed the buy at that particular zone. So everything was fully explained to the results you are seeing now on the screen. Everything went massively. So like I said earlier, nothing much to say here. I'm still going to be dropping a video about the signal of next week, what I'm seeing and what I'm going to be approaching the market from next week. So peace out.